two proud lads on banana peels. Eyes locked tight across the stage, spouting rage, but it's sexual tension in a cage. Conservative bros in a podcast haze, chest to chest in a think tank blaze, talking masculine virtue on demand, but their knees touch under the debate stand. You think a showdown of manly conviction? Nah, bro, it's just mutual dick friction. Dick shaking, dick shaking, who's gonna blink? Dick shaking, dick shaking, teeter on the brink. Dick shaking, just two soft lads staring down shame with matching shoulder pads. Dick shaking, who lead it? Dick shaking, let the game begin. One more inch and the game is done, but neither wants to be the gay one. Ben says, I only deal in facts, while inching closer with his slacks. Matty grins and adjusts his tie. Is that a left-wing bulge or are you just shy? They talk tradition, God and guns, but their eye contact weighs 1,000 tons. Just two bros so brave and strong, just two bros with no pants on. It's not homo if it's just for the views, unless your donors start checking the news. Dick shaking, who's gonna blink? Dick shaking, teeter on the brink. Dick shaking, just two soft lads staring down shame with matching shoulder pads. Dick shaking, who lead it? Dick shaking, let the game begin. One more inch and the game is done, but neither wants to be the gay one. Macho posture ain't gospel flair, but deep inside it's just truth or dare. No pronouns here, just fragile pride. Two limp dick bigots with date rape vibes. Who's gonna blink? Teeter on the brink. Just two soft lads staring down shame with matching shoulder blades. Who's gonna blink? Teeter on the brink. Just two soft lads staring down shame with matching shoulder pads. Who lead it? Let the game begin. One more inch and the game is done, but neither wants to be the gay one. All together.
Bro, facts don't care about our feelings, or the weird tension when we tug our dicks ranting against pronouns, or the half chub I get every time you say goomer, or the way you whisper the word biology into my ear, oiled and shirtless.